Windows security not opening on your PC? Don't worry, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, click on the Windows search bar and search for PowerShell. Now click on Run as Administrator. When the permission window appears, click Yes. Next, copy the command from the video description. Paste it into PowerShell by pressing Ctrl V, then press Enter. Wait for the command to finish running. After that, close PowerShell. Solution 2. Repair Windows Security app. Now search for Windows Security in the search bar. Click on App Settings. Scroll down a little and click on Repair. Wait for the repair process to complete. Solution 3. Scan system files using command prompt. Next, search for CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow permission. Now type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This scan may take some time, so please wait patiently. Once the process is completed, close command prompt. Final step, restart your PC. Finally, right-click on the Windows Start button. Click on Restart. After restarting, Windows Security should open normally. That's it. Your Windows Security should be working again. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes.